Hey, Steve Noble, Moto. I'm up here at Skidmark Garage today, and we're going to cover how to use the Vapor Blaster. Now, the Vapor Blaster is for getting small amounts of varnish off, small amounts of tarnish, small amounts of corrosion. It really just kind of reshapes the finish of delicate parts, things that you don't want to put in a sandblaster, especially if they're aluminum, because it might chew the surface up or something like that. This works good for carburetor bodies, external engine case parts, things like that. Stuff that you don't want to risk damaging the gasket surface or something like that. You don't want to put anything greasy in here. You don't want to put anything covered in paint. This is not a descaler or anything heavy. It's a very light pressure and it's a very fine pressure. Now keep in mind, if you put something in here, like a carburetor or an engine part or something like that, there is a small amount of grit inside the vapor, so you're going to want to clean the thing really, really well. Otherwise, that grit will end up inside your motorcycle engine. So, but anyways, here's how you use the thing. First things first, there's a plug back here. Make sure it's plugged in. When you plug it in, you may have to press the red reset button. The little red LED should light up. You should hear the solenoids buzz. Down here, you want to make sure your compressed air is on. This air is set to about 25 psi. Do not adjust this. This should be at about 25. The water and all the grit and everything are already inside this thing. If you need to add water, you will add it to this storage tank here. You don't add it to the inside. So with that in mind, you can't really overfill it. You can just add more in here. Turn the machine power on right here. Off, on. The light should come on. To open the thing, you're going to open this toe clamp up. So you'll take this red lever, pull it all the way open. It should swing out of the way, and the door may or may not swing open. There's a bunch of scuds in here. It never hurts to hose this thing out when you're done. Someone obviously didn't. You can take this little extra garden hose nozzle here. Give it a little bath, rinse the inside of the glass off. Remember, this is your garden hose nozzle. This nozzle here is your actual vapor blast tool. From there, put your clean and prep part inside there and close the door. Make sure you latch it. Push this shut, lock it on like that. From there, you can stick your hands inside the rubber gloves. These ones are kind of wet and damp. Then you can pick up your part and pick up the gun and vapor blast it. The on-off switch is right here. Just hold it down. When you're done, lift your foot up. Once you get everything in place, press the pedal. It should look a lot like that. There's a small amount of grit that's coming out with that water. When you're done, you can take the garden hose and rinse off the window, rinse off the inside of it there, rinse the last of the grit off your part. There you have it. Open up your latch here. It should look like that. Should have a nice light gray finish to it. There you have it. If you have any questions, please ask.